In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do your work in StatCrunch and in Excel. There's a way that you can transfer data sets into StatCrunch and Excel. So StatCrunch is a program that comes with your Pearson's textbook. And if you look in your classroom in your MyLab, on the left hand side, you'll see a link that says StatCrunch. So when you click on that, it'll open up and you can do graphs, calculations, what have you. So what happens is there are times where you're going to be given a data set and you don't want to sit up here and write all the data down and then go into StatCrunch or Excel and type it all in. So what you can do is you can transfer it over. So let me go to an assignment, and let's say I go to assignment, I'll go to this homework here, and I'll go to a problem. Sorry, it's a little slow. So in this particular problem, they want you to do a pie chart. If you look here, if you see my mouse, you see a little box here. And it says click to copy table once you take your mouse and put it over it. If you click on it, you can open it in StatCrunch or you can open it in Excel. So to open it in StatCrunch, you just click on it and StatCrunch will pop up and the data or whatever table or data whatever will pop up in StatCrunch. So that's one way of doing it. If you wish to use Excel, you click on it and it says open in Excel. So the way my computer is set up, I have to click on this to get it on my computer. So you may have to click on another button for Excel to fully open up. So you can ignore this for right now because the other one is popping up. Just a second. I'm going to show you this one in a few minutes, but let's see. It's circling, so it's still opening. Okay, now what happened? Okay, let me try it again. I don't know why I said that. Open in Excel. Okay, let's see if it opens now. Sorry for the delay. Okay, here we go. So now, as you can see, that same data set that we saw in StatCrunch, that opened in StatCrunch, is now in Excel, and you can work in Excel with this. So um, I always tell people to use Excel. You don't have to. If you feel comfortable with StatCrunch, that's fine. However, when you go out into the real world, you will not have access to StatCrunch, but you will have access to Excel. Most big companies use Excel. So I'm going to show you how to do calculations in both StatCrunch and also how to do it in Excel. Now, there are times where I have templates, and that's what you saw before this file opened up. This is a template. And with this template, what I have you do is put in your data and the answers will populate just like it would in StatCrunch. StatCrunch, you put in the data, you just do a few clicks and you get your answers. So I've also duplicated this with Excel. Now, there are times where you don't want to type in all the data values. So if we go to another problem, let's see. Sometimes you're just going to be given a data set, and you'll see in a minute. This is very slow. Okay, so let's go to this assignment here, and I'm going to click on a problem. So in this one, you see you have numbers. Okay. So you can send it to StatCrunch or you can send it to Excel. Now there are some problems where when it opens up in Excel, you can just do the data, do the calculations there, what have you. But sometimes I make templates. So if I click on this, I can open it in Excel and I'm going to open it up, but it's going to open up in a separate file than where my template is. So the data is not going to automatically populate in the template. So it's going to open. Just a second. So as you can see, I have my data values here, and I want to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my templates. Oh, where's my template? My template is here, and I'm just going to paste it. I'm going to paste it, and as you can see, the answers pop up. Okay, so make sure you check for my templates if you wish to work in Excel, or if you want, you can work in StatCrunch. You might be able to, and I have not experimented with this. Let's see. You might be able to copy the clipboard. No, okay, never mind. Don't worry about that. Just just open it in Excel and copy paste it into my template if I have a template for it. Okay?